Okay, I wanted to try different power supplies. I tried some 30 amperes switching power supply. This is a 50. I've never bought them before. Got it from eBay. And I want to see how it works. Input 110 or 220 volts. I'm going to run 110 volts. DC output 12 volts, 50 amps. Obviously, it's got an adjustment on here for the voltage right there. We'll see how many volts we can get out of it. So I put a cord on it. So I'm going to plug in my 3-pill into this single 50 amp. I put a cord on it too. Just a standard 110 volt cord. Hooks up right in here. It shows you exactly where everything is supposed to go. Right there. Neutral. L, you can call it live if you want, but anyways. And then your ground right here. So that's how I have that hooked up. And then you got 3 positives and 3 negatives. See, positive. There's a little bar here. So those are all positives, those are all negatives. So I put in my positive here, my negative there. I made this cute little cord. I bought a bunch of these little, I think they call them 50 amperes. Will they handle 50 amps? I don't know. Guess I'll find out. But anyways, so it should be the perfect plug for this single power supply. You know what I'm going to want to do, right? I got to run a lot of them together. But this is how they come in this box right here. It's got some weight to it, actually. I haven't opened one up. I don't really know that I would need to, but this one is 50 ampere. I showed you on the side. Got the cord hooked up to it. So I'm going to hook up my 3-pill to it, and I'm going to see how it runs that 3-pill. One single 50 amp switching power supply. Let's see how it runs my 3-pill. My 3-pill kicks pretty good. Let me hook that up and we'll give it a try. So my 3-pill, here's my little cannonball that I love. I will never get rid of it. I love that little box. Use it for a little driver and stuff. It's great. It does like 80 bird, maybe 100 on a good day. But here's my 3-pill I built. It has a larger plug on it, as you can see. So I made myself a little adapter. So this, you know, I have it so it's stepped down. So I will plug this into my box and then this into here so that I can't really do it without one hand, but get in there. Ooh, that thing's tight. That little plug is tight. Let's see. Yeah, so, and then this will go to the box over here. If I can do it. Always complaining about we need more hands, you know, when you're using the phone. So that's going to plug into there, and we're going to see if this one little supply can run that 3-pill efficiently without dropping the volts. And let me get it plugged in and let's give it a testorino. We'll have it hooked up to this test center, the beautiful Dosey, and see what kind of watts it'll do. I'm going to hook up my little voltmeter too. Gonna let us know what it's doing with the volts. I'll hook up that and we'll give it a try. So check this thing out. It has a pretty good variable on it. The thing is all the way down. It's on 10.3 volts. And I can reach in there to turn it up. Goes all the way up to 15.4 volts. That's a pretty good variable, man. I like that a lot. Like I said, it's right down in here. You can hear me turn it down. It slows the fan down. Let's start at 12.4 volts. and I'll turn this box on, see if it drops at all when I go to key it. Audio, audio, audio. I think swinging pretty good. Audio, audio, almost doesn't move. It's rock solid. Let me try to turn the light off. See that better? Yeah, it's better. So it's my 3-pill, 22 special built 3-pill, 50 amp power supply from eBay, 12.4. Hello radio, hardly even moves, man. Hello radio, hello. Swing it up to 400 peak. So let's go and turn this thing up. Let's see how high it'll go. I think, what do we say, 15.4? Oh, I like that. Okay, let's see what it'll do now. I gotta turn this light off. This is not working. Okay, that's better. I like it like that, so we can see so now we're at 15.3 volts on the single power, 50 amp power supply with the 3-pill. Let's see what it does now. Hello radio. I love volts. Shh. Worldwide 22's little station Chicago got down. Swinging, man. Let's see if it drops volts. Hello radio, hello radio, hello radio. It's working real good. I mean, I think that's beautiful, man. This one power supply runs that 3-pill all day long. I love that. No problem at all. What happens when we crank it up a little bit? Get a little more dead key. Let's see. I'll turn this radio up a little. Audio. So that's keying really hard. You can hear it drawing down, actually. Hello, radio. Ta-ta-ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is beautiful. That thing's keying real hard. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. That works perfect. I mean, 14.5, when I key in that, it's probably really keying somewhere around 300 bird. And that thing stays right at 14.5, man. That's beautiful. Let me turn this down a little bit. Because we like swing. We like to have some audio. We like the swing part of it. Hello, radio. Hello, radio. That is absolutely perfect. This 50 amp power supply works good. I haven't run them on anything. First time I ever bought them, but they seem to work really good. So I'm going to end up stacking some of these together. I don't know how many yet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know. We'll see. I'll start maybe with a couple or whatever. We'll see what they're going to do. Because I like to build a power supply in a case with those if they work the way they're supposed to. Because I need like a pretty big power supply here for what I do. But hey, very happy. Very happy with that thing. It's working really good. So, it's a winner. I think I paid, my phone rang. I was going to tell you how much it cost. I think I paid $36 for it shipped, or $37. Whatever I can tell you right now, it's worth it. That thing is cranking. I'm going to have to test these things, though. See how much they'll run, because it runs a 3-pill, no problem. I wonder if it'll run a 5-pill. I might be pushing it, but I'm going to check it anyway. Okay. I'll do another video on that, but right now, it runs a 3-pill perfectly. 50 amp power supply from eBay works great.